Welcome to Webstyle Plus. How can we remove duplicate values from array in JavaScript? Let's say we have this array. In this array, HTML and WordPress are duplicate values. How to remove these duplicates? In this video, we will look into that. But before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing similar content on this topic. Okay, we can remove duplicate values from array in JavaScript by using set, data structure, and spread operator. To do that, we will declare a new variable first. Now this new variable has all the values but unique. Duplicates are gone because a JavaScript set is a collection of unique values. Each value can only occur once in a set. Also, a set can hold any value of any data type. And the JavaScript spread operator allows us to copy all or part of an existing array or object into another array or object. So this is how we can remove duplicates from an array in JavaScript. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.